Halo guys, sekarang jangan lupa klik subscribe dan aktifkan loncengnya. Jangan lupa di share ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Apa kabar semuanya teman-teman? Kembali lagi di channel saya kali ini Velirwan Maspul. Jadi di video kali ini sekarang saya mau lanjut kegiatan hari ini tuh memperbaiki motor saya. Jadi motor ini sudah ada di samping. Ini ada motor Vega new. Jadi motor ini banyak kenangan di sini teman-teman. Jadi motor ini saya gunakan kemarin bersekolah di Enrekang masa-masa
in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. La, 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 la. Oh, oh.
Ikutin terus perjalanan saya teman-teman. Lokasi tempat servis motor saya ya, jadi di daerah Sangiran. Nah itu di depan sudah diparkir. sekarang ini sudah jam 4 sore. Ini sudah dilanjut lagi proses pembongkaran di bagian batok depan. Oke teman-teman, jadi ini setir yang saya mau gunakan sebentar, yang warna merah ini ya, harga 80. Oke teman, jadi ini dia pemasangan di depan. Mantap. Oke, jadi ini sudah terambil ya. Jadi ini sekarang proses pemasangan stand di setir di bagian leher. Ini sementara bilas.
Bayi dia itu nak bunga kan, coba nama apa yang nak bunga, malam pun.
Jabu dapat dua, pengen warung bos. Karbu kidau. Karbu kidau kerana nuling ah. Macam ni.
Berkorban buku naga.
Oke teman-teman, jadi ini sudah selesai proses mengerjakan motor di bagian setir. Jadi total di sini itu 470. Yang pertama setir, stand setir kanan, tadi yang baru dibeli ini harganya 3,5 pemasangan di depan handle ini.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. I'll give up everything. Daunting if I can see my dreams. I'll make things right, 'cause I'll do anything to make.
Oke, lanjut. katanya sisterna. Oke, jadi ini pandangan ke depan. Mantap. Jadi di sini untuk gambarnya agak terlalu goyang karena saya masih menggunakan HP teman-teman ya. Jadi nanti kita stabilkan di Google. Oke.